And what up, what's good with y'all? All right, so this is what y'all been waiting for, so I'm about to give it to y'all. Not much talking, just a full POV version of what it's like to drive the sc300 at 708 horsepower at 700 plus and 900 plus. Be going through the settings, all that. Not much talking, just pure driving. As y'all seen last video, went off in the bushes on the damn bike and had to hit Hex up today like, yo, I think I want my car back a bit early, cause yeah, I want my car now. Feel a little bit safer in the car than I do on the bike, so going to pick up my shit. What's up, girlfriend?
Hey.
Show them your protein cookies you made.
My protein cookies?
Woo, protein cookies!
They good on camera?
Yeah, I mean they look like cookies on camera. They nasty in real life, but
they taste like clouds, like egg clouds.
They do, but it's edible. It's gonna keep them cheeks fluffy. All right, let's get out here and let's go grab my car. so what's good? Day 2, about to go drive the SC around some more. Y'all seen yesterday, everything was on low boost. We tried to go high boost, and obviously it just fucking blew the tires off on the freeway. So what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to do an oil change, because I haven't done, you know, I think, what is this? Probably my 3rd or 4th oil change since we built the motor. So motor is pretty much broken, but I do want to change the oil one more time, follow my boy protocol. So now I'm about to be driving this all day on high boost. I throw this thing on high boost. When I'm going to get the oil right now, I'm about to show y'all how it is with the drivability on 900 plus. So y'all can see this car is super streetable. It's quiet, it's not that loud at all. And you know, there's no hiccups, no sputters. Like, you can drive it around as a daily until my 350 is done. That's probably what I'm about to be doing. I'm about to just be mopping this around. But yeah, let's go get this oil, and I'm gonna show y'all some drivability before we do some more pulls and stuff. So y'all can see we set it, that's high boost, target 28. So I'm gonna show y'all how well the drivability is like this. You said you got NRG?
Yeah, the steering for my steering wheel.
What the fuck? What the fuck wrong with this shit? Oh, I was like, what the hell?
I don't know, sorry, still little small things.
Yeah, I was like, what the fuck is that?
Thank you. That's cool. Yeah, I'm gonna check your channel out, man, for sure.
It's good, bro. Appreciate it.
Right on, man. You have a good one.
Have a good one. Coronavirus.
Coronavirus.
So you guys see how the drivability is. Drives perfectly fine on the highest horsepower setting. No sputter, no weird stuff. You can drive this car on a daily. I was about to drive around, give y'all some more pulls on high boost, but one of my childhood friends hit me up, like one of my day ones. So instead of spoiling it and giving y'all all the power here, I'm actually gonna do a ride along video. Probably be maybe later on today or something. He's supposed to be coming if he don't flake out or get scared. But yeah, so if y'all want to see this on high power, just gotta wait for the next video, and then yeah, we're gonna have another ride along. It's been a minute since we did one of these, and now the car actually has a lot better traction than what it did before. So this should be pretty interesting. And I know you guys want to see the V8 Dead Part 2, because when my dad rode in the car, it was at 600 plus, and now it's, you know, 300 plus horsepower more. So I know you guys want to see his reaction on Part 2 of that. So I'm gonna hit him up and see if he's down to, you know, jump in and go for another ride now that it's like, you know, OP. So until the next time, got more shit coming for y'all though, but not gonna spoil it. Till next time, deuces.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fucking niggas hating on, I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma give you a